In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Wrike. We're going to cover everything you need to know to get started with this process. Let's dive in and make sure you're set up for success. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Begin by going to the Wrike login page and clicking on the login button. This will prompt you to select a method for logging in, and for ease of use, we'll choose to log in through Google. Simply click on the Google option and select your account from the list. This streamlined login process gets you into your workspace quickly and securely. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left panel on your Wrike dashboard. Here, you'll find the More option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to a set of expanded options where you'll look for the Reports section. Clicking on Reports will give you access to a host of reporting tools within Wrike. Now, it's important to note that to fully unlock the report features, you might need to consider upgrading your license. Wrike offers comprehensive reporting capabilities, but some of these require an upgraded plan. If you find that you cannot access the reporting tools after following these steps, there will be an option to upgrade license to view reports. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to options for upgrading your plan, which can be beneficial if you or your team rely heavily on detailed reporting. However, upgrading isn't the only choice. If you prefer not to upgrade, there's an alternative approach. Within your projects, you can create analytics. This is a great workaround if you need basic insights without accessing the full reports. Start by clicking on your specific project within the Wrike workspace. Once inside your project, at the top you'll see an All drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and opt to create an analytics view. This feature generates a visual representation of your project's data, allowing you to track progress and performance effortlessly. After setting up your analytics view via the drop-down, locate the analytics button and click on it. This step brings up your analytics dashboard where you can manage and interpret the data for your project, providing valuable insights into task completions, project timelines, and more. There you have it. You've learned how to create a report in Wrike, navigating both through upgrading your plan and utilizing project analytics to suit your needs. Implementing these steps will help you effectively monitor the workflow and productivity in your projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this.